Needle-tail shift is the fastest animal in the air. It can fly as fast as 250 to 300 km per hour. Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. It can run as fast as 112 km per hour. Sailfish is the fastest animal in water. It can swim as fast as 113 km per hour. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. It weighs as much as 20 elephants. It weighs 150 tons. African elephant is the largest animal on land. It weighs 8 tons. Giraffe is the tallest animal on land. It is about 18 feet tall.